শোনো গো দক্ষিণ হাওয়া, প্রেম করেছি আমি, লেগেছে চোখেতে নেশা, दिख भूलेছি আমি। नमस्कार, मैं शर्बानी आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे इस YouTube चैनल ऑन ई प्रोमो शर्बानी में। जी हाँ, मैं जानती हूँ मैं बहुत बुरा गाती हूँ, पर मेरी आवाज पे ध्यान मत दीजिए, इस गीत पे ध्यान दीजिए। इस गीत का एक हिंदी वर्जन है। जिस किसी को भी याद आ रहा है इस गीत का हिंदी वर्जन क्या है, वो तुरंत जाकर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए। हमें आप सबके कमेंट्स का इंतजार रहेगा। आप में से बहुत सारे लोग समझ गए हैं कि मैं आज किस महान शख्स के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। आज मैं ऐसे ही एक लेजेंडरी म्यूजिक कंपोजर श्री सचिन देव बर्मन जी के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ, जिनका जन्म 1 अक्टूबर 1906 में त्रिपुरा के एक रॉयल फैमिली में हुआ था और उन्होंने अपने संगीत की सफर की शुरुआत बंगला फिल्म से की थी। और हम सभी में से बहुत सारे लोगों को ये भी पता है कि 1944 के बाद वो पूरे परिवार के साथ मुंबई आके बस गए थे। लेकिन इससे पहले वो कहाँ रहते थे, क्या किसी को पता है? जी हाँ, बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता है। इसलिए मैं शर्बानी अपनी पूरी टीम के साथ में आपको कोलकाता के साउथ एंड पार्क के उस घर पे लेके चलती हूँ जहाँ पे सचिन देव बर्मन जी अपने परिवार के साथ में माता जी श्रीमती निरुपमा देवी, पत्नी श्रीमती मीरा देव और इकलौते सुपुत्र के साथ हम सबके प्यारे और दुलारे श्री राहुल देव बर्मन जी के साथ रहा करते थे। राहुल देव बर्मन जी का बचपन वहीं बीता है, उसी के आंगन में वो पले बड़े हैं। वो हम सब संगीत प्रेमियों के लिए सिर्फ घर नहीं है, वो एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे सुरों की साधना और आराधना हुआ करती थी और आज भी वहाँ के एक एक दरो दीवार से उनके संगीत की गूंज सुनाई देती है। तो आइए, मैं शर्बानी अपने पूरे टीम मेंबर के साथ में मिस्टर दीप कुमार मुखर्जी और मिस्टर देवराज दत्ता के साथ में उस घर पे लेके जाती हूँ जहाँ पे सचिन देव बर्मन जी रहा करते थे, राहुल देव बर्मन जी का बचपन बीता है।
Friends, just have a look of this land, which is famously known as Southern Park. It's beside Dhakuria Bridge. We are coming up with a very short documentary today about one and only S.D. Burman and of course R.D. Burman. Just I am moving my camera just to make you see the road approaching to great Sachin Dev Burman's residence in Southern Park. He built this residence in Kolkata in mid-30s, where he started residing with his son, then a little kid, R.D. Burman. We are proceeding towards the house, heritage house of legendary music director composer Sri Sachin Dev Burman, now lying almost in a dilapidated state, and it needs proper conservation because such a legendary music figure, both father and son, Sri S.D. Burman, or he used to often write Kumar S.D. Burman and R.D. Burman. Now you can see embossed on this stone about the great music director, composer, legendary composer Sri Sachin Dev Burman used to stay in this residence. This stone is just in front of the gate of this building, where you can see in detail that from which year till which year Sachin Dev Burman used to stay with his mother and his son R.D. Burman along with his wife. Whenever he used to come from Bombay to Kolkata, he used to reside in this residence only. Once again, I repeat, whenever he used to come from Bombay to Kolkata, he used to reside in this building only. Now this stone is in memory of Sri Sachin Dev Burman. Now we will show you the main residence, the entrance. The house is almost in a dilapidated state. The government of West Bengal is taking initiative in order to restore the normal design of this house. Now you can see that on the wall it is written Sri Sachin Dev Burman. Now friends, you can see on this stone it is written in detail about Sri Sachin Dev Burman, that used to stay in this residence along with his mother, Srimati Nirupama Devi, till 1944. Now I would request my cameraman to approach towards this stone so that you can see in detail. Till 1944, he used to stay permanently in this residence only, along with his wife and his son, Deputy Rahul Dev Burman. And then after 1944, when Sri Sachin Dev Burman shifted to his Mumbai residence, whenever he used to come to Calcutta, he used to stay in this residence only. Now my cameraman will show you the entire house. Just you can have a look of this house. From all the angles, he will show you this heritage house, which definitely needs conservation and restoration. Now I'm just approaching towards the gate. I will ask my cameraman to show the state of the house. You see, it's almost in a dilapidated state. The walls are broken, the turrets are broken, the balconies are not properly maintained, and probably this building needs restoration immediately. Such a legendary figure, both father and son, Sri Sachin Dev Burman and Rahul Dev Burman, used to stay for long years in this residence only. So it has got an archival value. This residence has got an archival value. As you can see, the main entrance to the building. We are showing now the main entrance to the building. And it's just an adjoining road to Dhakuria in South Kolkata. It is Southern Park. Condition that the grills are broken, absolutely, the pillars are broken. It needs maintenance. I will just ask my cameraman to go till the top, and gradually we will proceed towards the end of this house. That is the back portion of this house. The walls are in a dilapidated state. Two legendary music icons like Sri Sachin Dev Burman and Sri R.D. Burman stayed for a long period of time in this Southern Park residence only. And whenever Sri Sachin Dev Burman after 1944 used to come to Calcutta, used to stay in this residence only. Now you see our very objective on YouTube channel on ePromo Shabani is to make people view such places, such heritage houses, which probably most of the people of India or our country has not seen. So this is Southern Park building of Sri Sachin Dev Burman, where he used to reside for many years along with his mother, his wife, and his son, then absolutely a kid, Sri Rahul Dev Barman. And regarding this house, I came across to know from my ex-boss, Sri Ashish Sengupta, who is the cousin brother of great Adi Barman. As you all know, mother of Adi Barman was Srimati Meera Dev Barman, and mother of Ashish Sengupta, whom I used to address as Dida, is Bokul. So Meera Dev Barman and Bokul Sengupta were two sisters, and Adi Barman happens to be the son of Meera Dev Barman, wife of Sachin Barman, and Mr. Ashish Sengupta used to be the son of Srimati Bokul Sengupta. From Mr. Ashish Sengupta, I acquired this information about this residence many years back when he was my boss in Medinova Diagnostic Services. He told me about the residence in Southern Park. So I think, friends, you will enjoy having the view of this heritage building. Two pillars like R.D. Barman and S.D. Barman used to reside here in this building for long period of time. Thank you.
बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो.
Now you can see the entire front portion of this house. The entire front portion of this house. I will request my cameraman to just move forward and just to show you this stone once again. And Government of West Bengal, probably they have taken some initiative to restore and to preserve this house. The heritage house of Sri Sachin Dev Barman, and of course one and only R.D. Barman in Kolkata, South Kolkata. It's an adjoining road to Thakuria, the Southern Park. So friends, thank you very much. Be on our YouTube channel on ePromo Shobhani. Basically, it is Shobhani's channel, and since we work hand to hand, and our cameraman Sri Devraj Jottu, who gives ample support every time whenever we go for any documentary or for a small shoot, just to make people happy, make people know about all these heritage buildings that we have in Calcutta, where legendary international national figures used to stay. So stay connected, stay with us, and we'll definitely come up with such interesting documentaries episode wise on YouTube channel, on ePromo Shobhani, and definitely on our Facebook page. Thank you. Be safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.
कुछ भी ना कहो.